So I'm going to connect these LED lights to the car. So I've taken off the air filter and the housing, back plate off, and they're all covered, just so I can have a little bit more space down there. So hopefully you can see the hole which is there. So put the LED light on. You can see the spring connection there, and then we're going to put the LED light on. So that's the LED light. It comes in two parts for you to connect it to the housing. So you twist, that comes off. So you put that into the housing, and you put this over and screw on, and goes in like that. So we'll put this on first, and then we'll add this in. As you can see now, we put the housing on, the clip in there, without the LED, and then what we'll do is push the LED in with that in there. So you can see the LED light in there, and all we're going to do is give it a twist in there. So you can see the grooves. I don't know if you can, but there's grooves in there. When we twist it, it will lock into place. So that's locked into place. So what we've done is twist it, it's put into place. So that's it on. Positive goes to yellow and the negative goes to brown. Then just going to put it back, and that's it, sorted.